party people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing a cash stuffing of our sinking funds and we have $180. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. We have our money here. I always like to count it, and I guess that's a question that I have. Do you care to see it counted, the total amount before we put it into the tray? I mean, it's just like a double confirmation for me, but I usually count this money out at the bank before I get it, so I know that it's all good, and I separate the amount that I need. So I'm wondering if that's something that you guys enjoy watching, or if I can go ahead and skip over it. I may try a few videos with or without it, and then you guys can let me know. So I'm gonna count it just to end the year strong. All right, so I have the money, and this is 50, 70, 90, 100, 120, 130, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 171, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 180. So 180 is how much we have. We have a mix of money, and I'm gonna put it into our tray. So if you enjoy cash stuffing, budgeting, things of that nature, I would love for you to consider becoming a subscriber. There is no cost, it's completely free. Just hit that subscribe button, and if you want to know when I'll be posting, hit the notification bell as well. Binders. These are my sinking fund binders. This one's more long-term, and this one's more of my short-term. All right, so we're gonna start off with car, because I definitely need to add money to this fund. My car is a combo of car maintenance and my car insurance. I pay my car insurance on a monthly basis, but my goal is to pay 6 months in advance. So I was kind of saving up towards that. Car maintenance has, as of late, prevented me from doing that, because every time that I have enough to do it, I need to spend it on some random thing for the car. And here we are again. I need to change my front brakes by the looks of it, and I did a quick Google search to see how much it is, and it seems to be about like in the 300-ish range, and I'm going with a high estimate just because of inflation and prices as of late. So I'm guessing it will be the top max amount that it can be. So I wanted to make sure that I'm putting money towards the car maintenance, because I know I'm gonna use most of this in order to do that repair. So that's where I'm at. So currently in car we have $100, $200, $300, $350, $400, $420, $30. So $430. I should be writing this down, so give me 1 second. All right, so I definitely want to put trackers into my sinking funds now. I think it'll just make it easier instead of having to like revert back to my chart or wherever paper. Like I can see it right in here. So that is a 2022 goal, to put trackers in here. But for now, we're gonna use Post-it notes. And today's date. So we are late to the game. Start balance. Just put them out here. So was it 1, 2, 3, 350, 400, 420, 430. So 430 is the start balance, and we are going to add I think we're gonna add $60 to this. So if I add 60, it should be, you know what, for that I add 70, right? And just make it even. Yeah, we're gonna do 70 then, and then make it an even 500. So that's what we'll do. Gonna do the 50 and then the 20. Or, yeah, we'll do the 50 and then the 20. So that's 50, 70. We're gonna add that. So now we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 470, 490, 500. So now we have a total of 500 in our car. And we're gonna go ahead and do that. So I have my vacation fund. I want to put money into that because I really wanted to go on vacation this year to see family for the holidays, but it just didn't work out with our schedules. There was just no way that we could take off time to go. So hopefully we get to see them this summer along with next coming Christmas. So for my vacation, I have a placeholder. So I have a $500 placeholder, and that's XOXO. If you know who she is, hit that like button. So I have her there, and then I have 50, 100, money is all over it. So 50, 100, 120, 130, 140, and 145. So I have $645. I'm gonna write that here. Again, I need to get trackers. 45. Start balance. You know, putting in I'm gonna put 30. Maybe I should put, wait. Yeah, I'll do 35 just to make it an even number. So. So we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, 180. So I have 680 now that we're gonna put into our vacation fund. I keep forgetting to put the trackers in here, guys. So my goal is to put as much as I can in it. For a back to school, I do want to put some money into that because I've been neglecting it. I mean, we still have time, but mine as well. I think I'm going to put $5 towards that. And this has so little money that there's no point in putting a tracker. I'll just buy one when I get one. So I'm putting $5 into that. So I currently had $11 in back to school, and I'm adding a 5, so now I have 16 in back to school. I don't know how I like this winging it, guys. I kind of like knowing what to do with my money. All right, new car. My husband's car on its last leg. And we are, and we anticipate that we will be needing a new car in the near future. Our plan so far is to just use the car until it dies. So wanted to put some money towards that and kind of get that moving. So I think I'm gonna do in $25. We currently have 50, so now we have 50, 75. I think my health fund has a decent amount. I'm gonna go ahead and put $9 towards my health. So I'm gonna count this one. So I have 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. So I have $76. And I'm gonna add, how much did I say? 75. I was gonna add $9, so I'm gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we have 50, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So we have $85. Next up, we're gonna do gifts, and gifts currently has 20, 20, 30, 35, 36, $36, 36. I'm gonna add 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And so now we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. For gifts, we have my husband's birthday coming up soon, so I'll probably use this money for something for him. I want to start saving for my daughter's birthday, so I am going to put in $12. So there's currently 10 in here, so now there's 22, so 10, 20, 1, 2. Just put that. So where should I put? Was it 12? Yeah. So now I have 22, and this is and then next up we have investing. My start balance is 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23. What do I have left? I have left 10. So that will be 33. Let's double check by counting it. So I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. So $33 to put into our investing. So that is it. Look, again, why can't I stick these things in the envelope? So that is it. That is my sinking fund cash stuffing for December. I am still due to do my saving challenge video. I want to work on my 2022 goals. I wasn't sure if I was going to record it and put it on my channel, but I think that if I do that, I'll be more accountable to doing it, because I kind of released them out to the world and everyone knows what they are, so I'll work that much harder to achieve them. So that's the mindset that I'm having. The whole point of me doing this channel is to make myself more accountable and kind of have to come back here and show, you know, what I'm doing, how I'm moving along, and it forces me to actually do it. So I think that I will definitely be filming that probably early January. It'll be one of like my first-ish videos probably be savings challenge because I still have to film that. So I want to do my goals and then ultimately kind of work on my new setup. I should have been working on this stuff like a month or two ago, but I don't know. I kind of like going with the flow. We'll see what kind of energy comes in 2022 because 2021 had me fooled. So hopefully I'm hoping and wishing all good, wonderful things for you all in 2022. Goodness knows we need some good. So yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.